What's up, guys? Michigan Air Gunner. Well, we're out here today. We're just picking at some birds, seeing what's flopping around. I have with me the Evol 30 cal from Terry Fox at foxairpower.com. Check it out. And yeah, I just got this yesterday. I just pulled it out of the box, and I'm just getting a feel for it before I really do any type of review or anything. So I figured I'd come out here, pop some birds with it. I'm just sitting at one silo's at 45. The other silo is about 87, 90 yards from where I'm sitting right now. I'm just shooting off the back of my truck, getting a feel for the hangovers or holdovers. We are using the JSB 30 cal 44.75s, and so far I've gotten probably 2 or 3 birds down at the 85-90 or 87-90. Anyway, yeah, we might do some walking around, but mainly this is just going to be popping some birds, having some fun, getting some video out there because I haven't really put much out lately. Been having to make time for family stuff and graduation parties and all that crap on top of very shitty weather. It is probably about 11-12 mile an hour winds out here, but so far I'm really liking this gun. The only thing I've really done to it is I've switched out the grip. It had a Magpul flat plastic grip that I really didn't like, and I just happened to have this one, which is a UTG with finger grips. I like that a lot better on this gun. But anyway, hope you enjoyed some bird popping, and probably within the next week or two we'll get some more like an actual review done with this when we get some nicer weather. Alright guys, stay tuned. Got it. Got it. This. Got it. Just so you guys can see, it is a bit windy. Oh, look at those bodies, Bill. Definitely not what I want to be. Oh, shit. Let's fucking see. Oh, yeah. Perfect. These birds are starting to get a little smart. Where I can see, there's a half the silo I can't see. And if I was to go over here to shoot, there's a house over that way. So we can't risk that. And if I go over there and creep through the barn, as soon as they see me, they take off. So they like to be aggravating at times. What I have figured out is you pull this guy all the way back and you get down there real low. At that point, it's all about the angle of the dangle, man. The legs are spread and you're just kind of figuring out which way the compass is pointing. We're getting this wind thing down. A few more on the way. What a beautiful day. Remember to rack my gun. Oh yeah. Perfect. Oh. Oh, come on. You bastard. Up the poop chute. Oh. Turn. Oh, that was good.